Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last video, we started with the lesson Major Landforms of the Earth and we talked in detail about one of the landforms, that is mountain. Now today in this video, we will be talking about the plateaus and the plains. So let's get started. So what is a plateau? A plateau is a highland area with a flat top. Plateaus have a large summit area that rises above the surrounding areas, and this is the reason they are also known as tablelands. Plateaus can be broadly classified into three kinds according to their location and origin. These are Intermountain Plateau, Continental Plateau, and Lava Plateau. Now let us talk about Intermountain Plateau. So, intermountain plateaus are the highest, largest, and the most complex in the world. They are completely surrounded by the mountains. So, this is the most important feature of this kind of plateau. The highest intermountain plateau is the plateau of Tibet in Asia. Other plateaus include the plateau of Bolivia in the Andes, the Mexican plateau in North America, the Tarim Basin in Asia, and the Columbia Plateau in the USA. Moving ahead to the next kind, that is continental plateaus. They expand to a large area and rise abruptly from the bordering lowland or the sea. The plateaus of South Africa, West Australia, Greenland, and Ranchi in India are a few examples of this type of plateaus. The next is the lava plateau. So, as the name indicates, lava plateaus are formed by the fissures when volcanoes erupt. The Malwa Plateau, the Deccan Plateau in India, Columbia Plateau in USA, and the main examples of lava plateau. Now let us see what are the importance. How are the plateaus important to us? They are rich sources of mineral deposits and ores. The African plateau is known for gold and diamond mining, while the Chota Nagpur plateau of India is famous for ore, coal, and manganese. Many waterfalls are found in plateau regions. For example, Jog Falls in Karnataka and Hudru in Chota Nagpur are famous waterfalls in India. The vast grasslands found in plateaus are used for rearing livestock, that is, animals. Now, moving ahead to the plains. So, plains are low lying, large stretches of flat land. Generally, plains are not more than 200 meters above sea level. How are the plains formed? Now let us take a look at the formation of plains. Plains are formed as a result of the internal and external forces of the earth. Many plains are formed by the rivers and their tributaries. So when rivers flow through the mountain slopes, they erode them and carry forward the eroded material. This eroded material gets then deposited in the low-lying valleys in the form of sediments containing stones, sand, and silt. And as a result of this, the plains are formed, which takes over a long period of time. The soil of such plains is rich in potash, phosphoric acid, and lime. Generally, plains are very fertile and are very suitable for the cultivation of various crops. As plains are even, it is easy to construct roads and to make railway lines on them, and therefore we see that the plains are densely populated. That is, they are thickly populated as in comparison to mountains and plateaus. Now let us see the landforms and the people. So humans live on different kinds of landforms and have distinct ways of living, different ways, different styles. Their lifestyles are different. So those living in mountains, they lead a hard life. In the plains, the living conditions are much easier. Therefore, every landscape has a different pattern of living. There are times when natural calamities like earthquake, volcanic eruption, typhoon, and flood cause widespread destruction. However, through awareness, we can definitely lower the loss during such calamities. So, it is our duty to leave our planet as a better place. And how can we do it? We should avoid the acts of which results in pollution and of course in turn damages the environment and natural resources. The land we use all belongs to us and for our future generations. So it is our moral responsibility, it is our duty to keep our earth clean so that it's the best place to live. So, with this, we come to an end of this lesson. So, very soon we'll be meeting again in the next lesson. Thank you so much.